How to fix Google Play Store not responding. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. After you click on Settings in here, scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. Here, click on App Info at the top. Then scroll down, you'll find Google Play Services. Simply click on Google Play Services, click on Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Go back, scroll down, search for Google Play Store, click on Google Play Store. Click on Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. And after you do this, simply restart your device and you're good to go. This is how to fix Google Play Store not responding. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.